Hi everyone, welcome to NS Coaches. Today we are going to learn about superlatives and comparatives. So come with me.
We use the comparative to compare two things or more. There are some rules to follow. The first one is short adjectives that is related with the sentence with words with one syllable. And in some of these cases, we add just er. In this example, we have tall, and the correct form for comparative is taller.
Alexander is taller than Alexis. Andrea is older than Alexis. This tree is way bigger than Alexis.
The second rule it's for other words that ends with y, that change the y to ear. In this example, we have happy to happier, and that is the second rule.
Alexis looks happier than Alan. Alexis is cozier than Alexander. They are way noisier than Alexander.
And the last rule is for long adjectives that have two or more syllables. In this case, we have to add more before the adjectives. And in this example, we have beautiful that is transformed in more beautiful.
Yeah. Genavi is more beautiful than Alexis.
Alan is more intelligent than Alexander.
Genavi's cell phone is more expensive than Alan's cell phone.
We use superlatives to compare three or more things and to say which is the most, okay? With short adjectives, we're talking about one syllable. We add this ending, est. For example, cold, coldest. And we add, commonly we add this article, the, okay? The coldest, the heaviest.
Alan is the oldest in the group, and Genavi is the youngest in the group.
The library is the quietest place in the school. Now, in the second rule, we have words ending with Y, okay? In this case, we change the last letter of the word to est, okay? For example, funny, funniest. Alan is the funniest in the classroom.
Alexander is the healthiest of them. Alexis is the freakiest of them. This is the dirtiest place in the school.
Now we have the third and last rule. With long adjectives, talking about two syllables or more, we add most. We have to use most before the adjective. For example, boring. Boring is long, right? So we add most boring. Alexis is the most boring classmate in the classroom.
Alexander is the most handsome person in history. And Alexis is the most extrovert one.
Alan is the most perfectionist in the group.
It is important to mention that we have some irregular adjectives, that these words change completely when it used as a comparative or superlative words. One of the best examples is best or better, that the base form of this adjective is good, that change whole the word. There is a little chart to don't forget that all these irregular verbs.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and soon you'll be an expert at comparatives. Bye!